How to add keybinds in Discord. So within Discord, all you have to do is go down to the little settings, user settings, gear, cog icon. And then from there, all you have to do is go down on the left-hand side until you get down to keybinds. Go ahead and click on that. And then you'll see there's plenty of default keybinds that come when you download and install Discord. You can scroll through these, see what they all are. There's tons of them. If there's one that you don't like, for myself, the one that I'm going to change today, there's one called toggle mute. This is always great, if you're talking in a chat and somebody walks in the room and you don't want whoever you're talking to over Discord to overhear your conversation. Control-Shift-M is a little lengthy for myself, so I'm going to change that. So we're going to go up here to Add Keybind. So just go ahead and click on this button here. And then what you're going to go down here, you're going to go down to the action. This is the new keybind that is just created. And then from here, you can go through all the different commands that you see. Do push to mute, push to talk, priority, yada, 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 toggle mute. So the one that I wanted to do, of course, was toggle mute, because I thought the one that was there was too long. So now, to toggle the keybind, all I'm going to do is just type the letter M, and there it is. And now my toggle mute is now no longer just Control-Shift-M. It is now just M, which makes it a little bit easier. Now keep in mind, if you're in Discord and you're typing and you press the letter M, though, that might affect your ability to have a conversation via voice while you're typing. So, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.